Hello, my name is Sylvain Vanier, CSR Director for Nidec Power, in charge of promoting ESG topics, environment, social and governance.
Can you describe why and how ESG is important for Nidec Power?
Today, nobody can deny the climate change and its impact on the planet and people. We want to be an active player by producing low-carbon generators for green applications, like hydropower plants or genset, with a better carbon impact using HVO fuel. It is our responsibility to run our business differently to mitigate the impact of climate change and take into account the UN Sustainable Development Goals. This is what employees, governments, investors, and customers want.
What can be the role of Nidec Power in the decarbonization path?
The world is working on an energy transition and green electrification with decentralized and intermittent sources of power. Generators should help in this transition as auxiliary power sources to keep the grid stable. In general, the rest of the generators are used as a backup power, which does not need to be in continuous operation.
Has Nidec already started to initiate this change?
ESG is becoming part of our governance. The first step was to create and develop ESG roles and responsibilities in our organization and to map where we stand in the different ESG components. This was the foundations which allowed us to start measuring what we want to improve. For products, we are working on it and have almost completed our first environment product declaration for our 2000 kVA alternator produced in Europe. Once it is finalized, we want to extend it to the entire range and to start improvements on our product's impact and on our supply chain. In parallel, we need to measure the carbon footprint of our organization and plan to reduce it.
What's your challenge for the upcoming months?
As mentioned, we want to integrate ESG as a business mindset and opportunity. Now we need to spread this mindset globally through our organization and across the entire manufacturing process. Design, purchasing, operation, till the repair process. This means we must develop trainings and workshops to make ESG topics more understandable and obvious for all of us.